Welcome to my Love Engineering channel. In today's topic, I'm going to teach you what is an universal motor. Normally, the universal motor in the sense, we all know AC motors and DC motors. In my previous lecture, I taught you the classification of electrical machines. In the classification of electrical machines, we have seen the rotating machines and non-rotating machine. This universal motor comes under the category of a rotating machine. The rotating machine are classified into a DC machine and AC machine. This universal motor is a special motor designed to operate both on AC as well as DC. What is a normal motor function? The normal motor converts an electrical input into mechanical output. That is, an electrical energy is converted into a mechanical energy. Normally, if you take any machine, the two major parts are very important. One is a stationary part and one is a moving part. In DC, they will call the stationary part as a field and the rotating part as an armature. That is, a conductor is going to rotate in between North Pole and South Pole. When it comes under the category of AC, they will call a stationary component as a stator and rotating component as a rotor. Normally, whether it is a DC machine or an AC machine, we will be having a moving part and the fixed part. Coming to our topic, an universal motor is a special motor. They are either operated on DC as well as AC. That is the reason this universal motor plays a major applications in household appliances like a mixer, blender, grinding, and you will go for vacuum drilling machines. So because they are very lightweight and they are very compactable, we can use at higher speed. That is, based on your application, they can operate for low speed application as well as high speed application. So what is the main comparative statement between this DC series motor along with the universal motor? This universal motor is similar to a DC motor. You can say a DC motor is also, that is, a DC series motor is similar to a universal motor, but a light modification is designed. What is the modification? We will be having a compensated winding that is placed in series with this armature winding that is connected in the stator of your motor. Now you can see in this diagram, this is a basic construction diagram. Normally a motor has a fixed part as well as a rotating part. This fixed part, you see, I can give here, this part is called a field, that is going to be an electromagnet. Because of the electricity, the magnet is going to create in between this section. So I can say, the north pole, based on the supply, the north is induced in the left side of your pole and simultaneously a south is induced on the right side of the pole. So when I am giving an AC supply, now you see a series motor means the series winding as well as the armature winding will be connected in series. The same construction is shown here. You see, this is your north pole, this is a field. This is connected in series with the armature. This armature is rotating. The black color symbol shows the brush. So this is a normal basic diagram of your universal motor. You see the right hand side. In right hand side, if you see, this is the mixer blender motor. That is our universal motor. The universal motor has a series here. The coil is wounded on a core. This is called field winding, or it is a stator winding. You see a coil is connected to the brush. See, this part is in the inside, you see a conductor. This is the rotating part. This is called rotor. I said you, the series winding will be connected with the rotating part. This can be explained in the, see here, I have the coil turns will be more, that is, the coil turns will be lesser, but it will be very of thick wire. That is the way we can reduce the reactance value of my stator. Now, if you want to reduce the reactance value of my armature, what should be done? I have to make an winding that should be connected with this series. That is, I will go for a compensated winding. The winding that should be placed in the stator and it should be kept in series with the armature. What actually this winding does? This winding will compensate the effect. That is, if the current flows in the armature in one direction, the opposite current will be flowing in the compensating winding. It compensates the effect. So the reactance value, the effect of reactance will be reduced in the armature of your machine by connecting a compensated winding. Now see here, this is a working principle. Actually, how my universal motor works. All the motors works on the principle of Fleming's left-hand rule. Actually, what this rule says, whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, an electromagnetic force is created. That is, I am going to give a supply to a conductor. The conductor carries the current. That current carrying conductor I am going to place in between the field, that is north pole and south pole. The interaction of these two creates the torque, makes the motor to rotate. Now you see, this is our universal motor. I said you, the universal motor, when it is operating in AC, because I have to do some design modification. What is the design modification? See here, I am keeping a compensated winding. This is placed in with the stator. Stator in the sense field winding. They both will be placed in the slots by 90-degree electrical. Because once they are placing in 90-degree electrical only, the reactance effect can be reduced. Simultaneously, this compensated winding will be in series with the armature because the flux will be opposite to each other, so the effect of reactance will get reduced. Now you see, I have shown here the one symbol. This one means this is a coil where I am going to give a supply. Once the supply is given to the stator, that is the stationary part, the stationary part consists of a field. Once the supply is given, automatically the north and south pole will be induced in the field coil, because that is the concept of electromagnet. What is an electromagnet? When the supply is given to the coil, automatically there is a flow of current. Because of the flow of current, the tendency of inducing poles in the coil. So now you see, here it is a north, the opposite coil is the south. So the magnetic field is created. But here the magnetic field is alternating in nature. Alternating means positive, negative, because based on the time duration, it will be keeps on, since it is an alternating current, it keeps on varying with respect to time. So this flux, now you see, this winding is connected in series with your armature, that is the rotating part. Now see, there is a section called 2. This is the brushed part, the brush is shown down. So this brush usually will be fitted with along with the commutator, because the commutator in the DC machine, the commutator will rotate, but the brush collects the current from the commutator and gives to the external circuit. So when it is connected in series with the commutator, there is a flow of current in the armature. So that is the symbol it is shown here too. When the supply is given, north pole and south pole are created. That is a creation of magnetic field. Now this creation, the same current flows through the armature. In armature also there is the flow of current. The same current is going to flow through the armature. Now the armature will behave as a current carrying conductor. Now whenever a current carrying conductor, as per the principles of DC motor, whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in between the north pole and south pole, this conductor tends to rotate. The torque is created and conductor is rotated. So the electrical input is converted into mechanical. This is similar to the DC motor. Whether the output of a DC or output of an AC, it will be same in the universal motor. Whether if you are giving a DC supply, the same output will be produced. If you are giving the same AC supply, the same output will be produced. This is the best example of your universal motor. If you have any doubt, you comment me, share my channel. You see, what is an application? The best example of the applications is a vacuum cleaner, drinks, food mixtures, domestic sieving machines. The higher rating universal motors are also used in blenders. Thank you.
Change over.